Stock 800-pound kid. And first up is Blakely Layton. I'm not going to blame the speller, I'm going to blame my eyes. Sorry, Blakely, but... And... Belgrave on Old Red. Cheer her on, folks, cheer her on. She needs the encouragement. I see a bit of concentration in those eyes from my vantage point. I don't know what you guys are seeing. Looking good, Blakely. And they shut her down. Shut her down at 112.54. She's ready. Give her some encouragement, guys. Give her some encouragement. She's heading eastbound. I think Dad's giving the most encouragement. Let's hear from the stand. Hey, she needs your encouragement too, but Dad's doing a great job. Way to go for it. Dealers, Greenwood Ready Mix and Tire Discounter. Let's have a big round of applause for all the supporters of this, because we can't get well together without their financial support. She got her. Now we have Michael Arkin. I'd like Michael to come over and tell me how to pronounce his last name. Archdeacon, thank you very much, sir. I hate pronouncing names wrong, but I do it on a regular basis, and I'm pretty good at it. Give Michael a big round of applause. He's from Rockwood on his Tough Cadet and doing a fine job.